All right, we're going to graph these three inequalities all in the same graph. First off, because we need to remember how to graph y-only lines and x-only lines. Okay, so for this first one, we're going to have a solid line on y equals 4. So I go to my y line, I go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want y to always be 4. So I will draw a line where y is always 4. It's right there. Then I want it to be everything above this line. So it would be everything up. Okay, cool. So that one worked out great. All right, this next line is going to be solid line. We're going to go to y equals -1, so that's right here. And we went to my y line, we went down 1. Then we want it to be solid, so I'm going to just draw a nice, pretty solid line there. And then I want this to be everything below this line. So, be everything down there. Now, this next one's kind of tricky, but if you think about it, it's not too bad. This one's actually my favorite because it points in the direction I need to go. So because we're talking about x now, all of a sudden it's the same direction that we've been doing for all of these lines, all of the inequalities before this. So we've got x is less than or equal to 5. So we go to my x line, I go to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want all the points that are equal to 5 for the x, and that's all these points here. And it's solid because there's a line underneath. Now I want everything less than everything less than 5 for x. Well, the interesting thing about this is we go back to that whole pointing thing. Do you see how it points left? We just want everything left of this line. That's why my x equals lines are probably my favorite for inequalities. Okay? So that's my solution to those three different graphs on this graph. I want you to give it a shot. You're going to do a very similar thing. Notice these are all dotted lines because they're all less than or greater than signs. You should notice that, please. All right, and give this one a shot and see how you do. And once you do that, we will come back together on this problem here.